Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of repairing the MSI MS-17A3 motherboard. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static rice strap, and a set of spanners. Start by powering down your device and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery, if applicable. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel of the laptop panel. Keep the screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is removed, you will have access to the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the motherboard for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any dust accumulation, use a can of compressed air to gently clean the area. This is crucial, as dust can cause overheating and other issues. Now, let's focus on the specific components that may require repair. If you identify any damaged capacitors, you will need to desolder them. For this, use a soldering iron and desoldering pump. If you're not comfortable with soldering, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and potential further damage. After replacing any faulty components, it's essential to clean the area around the solder points. Use isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush to ensure there are no residues left behind. This will help maintain the integrity of the motherboard. Next, reassemble the motherboard by carefully placing it back into the chassis. Ensure all connections are secure and that no cables are pinched. Replace the back panel and screw it back into place, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your device repaired without the hassle of travel. Once everything is reassembled, reconnect the power source and turn on your device. Monitor the system for any unusual behavior. If you encounter issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. In conclusion, repairing the MSI MS-17A3 motherboard requires patience and precision. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and repair common issues. However, if you prefer a professional touch, our services are just a call away, with no calls, no travel required. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your repair. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.